Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 29th of July 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.07. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time period. The stock has experienced a loss of -3.37%. This equates to an average daily loss of -1.12% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated in the lower segment of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $10.15 is breached, it would first indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase and may also serve as an early warning signal for a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 17.32% over the next 3 months, with a projected return ranging from 15.22% to 53.22%. Expanding our view to the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 27.07%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 11.07% to 240.93% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price between $11.47 and $35.22. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI features the headline, SoundHound AI Inc. stock price ended at $10.33 on Thursday, after experiencing a decrease of 0.577%. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price declined by 0.577% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025. The price dropped from $10.39 to $10.33, marking a continuous decline over 6 consecutive days. On the last trading day, the stock exhibited a fluctuation of 6.2%, with a low of $10.32 and a high of $10.96. The stock has decreased in value in 8 of the last 10 days, totaling an overall decline of 18.28% during this period. Trading volume increased on the last day by 5 million shares, albeit alongside falling prices. This trend may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 24 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $252,880,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $24.98, while the lowest price fell to $3.94. Currently, the stock price stands 58.65%, or $14.65, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the symbol SOUN, has made significant strides recently by announcing a partnership with Acrelec to enhance drive-thru technology using advanced voice-enabled systems. This collaboration aims to empower restaurants globally, potentially elevating SoundHound's market presence within the booming quick-service restaurant sector. As consumers increasingly favor the convenience of drive-thru services, this strategic move could boost SoundHound's revenue stream in the short term. In addition to this partnership, SoundHound reported impressive year-over-year revenue growth of 151% in the first quarter, totaling $29,100,000, with fiscal year 2025 projections reaching $159,600,000. Such growth, coupled with improved operational efficiencies like lower word error rates and increased automation, will likely be viewed positively by investors, possibly driving up stock prices in the near term. Currently, the stock has faced some volatility, down around 40% in 2025, following an extraordinary 835% gain in 2024. While some analysts suggest cautious investment due to this decline, the overall market sentiment remains optimistic about AI stocks, with the global AI market expected to surge to $4.8 trillion by 2033. SoundHound's commitment to advancing its AI capabilities, including its multilingual technology, positions it well for long-term growth. Overall, both recent partnerships and strong earnings growth could lead to renewed investor confidence, impacting SOUN's stock trajectory positively in the months to come. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned SOUN a neutral grade, accompanied by a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, H.C. Wainwright reported a grade of underperform for SOUN, along with a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy grade and a hold action. Also on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, H.C. Wainwright gave SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. Finally, on Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Wedbush rated SOUN as outperform while also suggesting a hold action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock an overall strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of SoundHound AI Incorporated indicates sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a pessimistic outlook. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $11.22 and $10.88. A breakout above either of these thresholds would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 9, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by nearly 20%. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is an ongoing sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $10.11. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 640 cents between its high and low, representing 6.2%. For the past week, the stock exhibited a daily average volatility of 6.41%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is expected on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.06. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.01. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $10.11. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Michael Zagorsek, who bought and sold 193,573 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 42.688. In total, insiders purchased 2,620,990 shares and sold 6,925,147 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. exhibits several negative signals. Despite a seemingly positive trend, we anticipate that SoundHound AI Inc. will likely perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. In our projections for trading on Friday, the 1st of August, we expect SoundHound AI to open higher by 207 ten-thousandths of a dollar, starting the session at $10.54. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.